So much so that the Israeli have put a ban on the hostages that were released by the Palestinian resistance forces. They told that the released hostages should not give any interview to any of the news channels. They were afraid. So you can see that this is Allah's plan. Why? If Allah wants, Allah can stop it. But Allah is exposing the double standards of the Western world, exposing the atrocities done. Imagine if Allah wanted on day one, Allah could have easily seen to it that the Palestinians win the war, but the world wouldn't have known. Yet the world would have had a soft corner for the Jews, for the Zionists, for Israel. Now it is confirmed that more than 95% of the world, Muslims and non-Muslims alike, they know the atrocities done by the Israelis, by the Zionists. So this is Allah's plan.